Good evening, degree 12s. Can we do a little bit of work? It's sequence and series is strictly quadratic formula. So let us say we are given, it is given that the general term of a quadratic number pattern is Tn is equal to n squared plus Bn plus 9, and the first term of the first difference is equal to 7. Then your question says show that this B is equal to 4, right? Before we can work on that, let us take note that in a quadratic series or sequence, a plus b plus c is always equal to the first term. So given that your first term is 1, let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Your a plus b plus c will always be equal to 1. Will always be equal to 1 to the first term of the series. And then 3a plus b is always equal to the first term of the first difference. Because we are dealing with a quadratic, obviously there's going to be the first and the second difference, right? This series is the series that I created for myself, so we cannot take the first and the second difference, but the first term of the first difference will always be equal to 3a plus b, and 2a will be always be equal to the second difference, right? And take note that the first difference will always be the arithmetic series, will always be the arithmetic series. So they told us that the first term of the first difference is equals to 7, right? And then I said to you that 3a plus b will always be equal to the first term of the first series. So let us equate. We want to show that b is equals to 4. So we're going to say 3a plus b is equal to 7, because the first term of the first difference is 7. Now, we don't know where to get our a, but we want to show that b is 4. When we check our equation, our quadratic general term, it's n squared plus bn plus 9. That means the coefficient of n squared, is 1, right? Which is a. Again, this pattern is in the form of Tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c. So the value of a in this general term is 1. There's an invisible 1 there. So I'm going to say 3 into 1 plus b is equal to 7, right? We know that 3 into 1 is 3 plus b. So our answer is 3 plus b, which is equal to 7. From there, we transpose the 3 to the other side. That means remain with b. Then we have 7 minus 3, which is equals to 4. We have proven that b is equal to 4. Therefore, our general term will be Tn is equals to n squared plus, we have shown that our b is 4, so we have 4n plus 9. This is your general formula.